Hello guys, good morning. How are you? Did you drink your coffee? Did you eat your breakfast before you're going to work? Today, I will greet you good morning in a different languages. In Spanish, good morning is buenos dias. In French, good morning is bonjour. In English, good morning. In Tagalog, buk in Tagalog, magandang umaga. In Hebrew, boker tov. That's the different greetings, good morning in different languages. I hope you like it, guys. Stay tuned on my channel because you will learn something from me. See you soon. See you on another video. Thank you for watching. See you.